Footsie. They're just kind of in the snow. Buddy can't hardly walk. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. I want you to see him walking. Come on. Okay, has a hard time walking. It's way too much snow. There. It's your snow melting all over the floor. You can hear the water running in the background. We're going to get him in a bath. Pops hates it. She loves her chair, though. She loves her chair. She's a good girl. She wants to get a bath. Buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here. Look at him walking. Alright, guys, let's go get a bath. We're going to get a bath. Don't go out there, buddy. Alright. Say bye to camera. Say bye to camera. Say bye. You guys are too much. Snow day.